Kung gusto niyo ko yung isayaw po ninyo. Ayan, ayan, sige po, go! Palakpakan,
drawing me in and you kicking me out. You got my head spinning, no kidding, I can't pin you down. What's going on in that beautiful mind? I'm your magical mystery ride, and I'm so busy, don't know what hit me, but I'll be alright. My head's under water, but I'm breathing fine.
Next, tawagin naman natin, we have Daddy Ching. Daddy Ching.
'Cause all of me loves all of you. Love your
Palakpakan naman po Daddy Ching, everyone.
all your perfect imperfections. Give it all to me.
Sa side lang mo na yung mga tapos na. Sa may picture ko kayo.
To you,
Okay, say po yun. Palakpakan naman sa inyo Daddy Ching.
even when I lose, I'm winning. 'Cause I give you all of me, and you give me all of you.
Next, tawagin naman natin Kuya Frank. Okay, huwag mo munang iyo. Ang gwapo naman ni Frank. Ako naman yung sayo mo. May Gcash ka sa akin later. Frank. Gusto ko lang makapag-actus.
Eyes in your
Check.
love is in my heart.
Frank, hawak mo naman siya sa bawang. Ayan, okay na yan.
And we listen for this moment over night. So excited, feeling starts to carry me.
Frank, I love you, Frank. Ha? Charot lang. Okay, tawagin naman natin Kuya Jaynal Ramos.
On this day, I surrender my heart. Here I stand.
Yes, palakpakan naman everyone.
And I will love every word that I say on this day.
Yeah. Sige lang, sayaw.
There goes my heart beating, 'cause you are the reason.
Next, we have Kuya Genesis.
Losing my sleep,
Kuya
lose
Genesis.
comfort now. And there goes my mind racing, and you are the reason that I'm still breathing. I'm helpless now. I climb every mountain,
Anak ko sa gayon, backward ka lang,
every
backward.
ocean,
Backward ka lang.
just to be with you. Fix what I'm broken, or 'cause I need you to see.
This time, tawagin naman natin Kuya RJ. Ayan. Ayan. Gusto din daw ni RJ magsuot ng gown. Hindi niya alam kung siya ba magagaon o ano ba talaga. Di ba kung parang siya on May 16, si RJ? O diba? Pag hawak ko lang ng gown ni RJ, oh. Alam na. Eh, sa'yo mo anak, sa'yo mo. Kumembot ka Arjen, kumembot Arjen. Arjen, come on.
of your hand says you'll catch me wherever I fall. You're saying
Yes, si Kuya Wise, ito lang hindi ko makakalimutan yan si Wise. Grabe. Go anak, isaya mo siya anak, isaya mo. Kung gusto mo pumasok, pasok sa Latanggaw.
I wasn't wrong. We danced the night away. We drank too much. I held your hair back.
Next, tawagin naman natin Kuya Yel.
Then you smiled over your shoulder. For a minute I was stone cold sober. I pulled you closer to my chest, and you asked me to stay over. I said I already told you. I think that you should get some rest. I knew I loved you then, but you never loved me. 'Cause I played it cool and I was scared to let it go. I know I needed you, but I never showed. I wanna stay with you until
Next, tawagin naman natin Kuya RJ. Kuya RJ. Ayun, Kuya RJ.
you're with me, not someone else. And I'm scared, yeah, I'm still scared.
Correct. Wala bang palakpakan dyan, people? For Kuya RJ. Go, please, si RJ. Parang nagkapang mo nagkakalookan, no? Nagkakalookan din siya. Parang gusto ko lang tumira doon. Di ba kanya pa ka doon?
I'd stop the world if it gave us time.
Tawagin natin Kuya Julius. Everyone. Kuya Julius.
You open up your heart when you love someone you don't know. If you love someone and you're not afraid to lose them, you probably never loved someone like I do. You probably never loved someone like I do.
Next, tawagin naman natin si Ate Jem.
Find out to my soul, you touch
Chris Jem. Come on.
You're the one that I can't wait to see.
Ayan, palakpakan naman for Chris Jem. Come on.
You're by my side, I'm in ecstasy. I'm all alone without you. My days are dark without a glimpse of you.
Oh my God, daming paroka ni Isa.
Now that you came into my life, I feel complete. The flowers bloom, the morning shines, and I can see.
Next, we have another INC. Iglesia ni Charis. Tawagin po natin. Tita Len.
Love is like the sun that lights
Ano? Tito Len. Ayan, Tito Len. Ang miyembro ng parokya ni Isa. Ganon. Charis. Tapos si Tito. Alam po, pwede ito na po ni Tito Len, oh.
that flows down through my veins.
Tito Len, oh. Tito Len.
Inside.
Maraming salamat, Tito Len. Tawagin naman na si Tito Neil. Tito Neil. Yes, Tito Neil. Thank you, Tito Len.
Beautiful life, 하늘나라 너의 땅을 싫고 나누어도 좋아.
Yes, palakpakan naman natin Uy! Nagtapan! AJ, palakpakan naman natin si AJ. Actually, sila po ang punong mabala ng ating backdrop. Napakahusay. Palakpakan po natin si AJ, guys. What is party surprise on the way?
Is the only thing that makes us feel alive. We keep this love in a photograph. We make these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, our hearts
Wala bang palakpakan dyan, people?
so you can keep
Ang nag-iisang ano?
inside the pocket of your
Aling AJ!
holding me close.
Tawagin naman natin, guys, on the list. Tito Byron. Tito Byron. Tito Byron is uncle of Ainsley, tama? So, youngest brother of Papa's Hitch. So we're down to our last three dance roses. Tawagin na po natin, Tito Archer. Palakpakan naman ang nag-iisang Bong Navarro ng Bayanan, Pamukot, Cavite. Tito Archer, ikot po naman siya, ibang side. Sige, sayo mo lang siya Tito Archer. Sige, sayo mo lang.
There were no words.
Palakpakan naman, people!
I would still hear.
Tito Archer, ikot mo naman siya. Ikot mo siya. Change kayo ng position. Ayan, para mas maganda. Ayan na lang, ikot ka na. Ayan.